no, I think it is okay. Sabi niya kasi daw, pinaandar daw ng anak niya kahapon. Hindi
I'll
raw
show you a
mapaandar.
technique.
Nasa anak
So
pa raw
if you
niya.
do have
Bakit
any
daw
like
pagka ako,
quarter or
napapaandar
something,
ko?
you could put it on and make a hole. Just
Sabi
have
ko, maybe I have a
little
magic
brush that
hand.
has a
Sabi ko
hole in it,
gano'n
or
sa
something that
kanya.
has a hole. So you could put this and you could
Oh, niyan ka
then you
ba?
just do this.
Ako namang tang-tang utro ng CD, tapos ibalik na ako, trapuhan na ako. Oo, may CD. Sabi niya, yun na lang ginagawa ko para malingaw ko siya. Tapos, pagka ang iyang kwarto, puno na nga ito ng blanket eh. Kasi kada lalamigin siya, kumukuha na naman ako ng warm blanket. Oo. Dami itong blanket ah. Pagkatapos, hindi naman ako marunong mag-adjust sa
So
temperature
it
sa
might take
kwarto.
time.
Sabi ko gano'n, saan kaya i-adjust ko?
Because you could make mistakes.
Tapos, sige siyang mag-iwan sa ako kung ano. Kung yung telepono na, sabi ko, I tried to attach the wire connection of the telephone. Sabi ko, but it seems that it will not work. Sabi ko, because the holder is broke. Sabi ko, gano'n. Sabi niya, there's another way you can hook it up. Sabi ko, I think there's no other way. Sabi ko, maybe I just tell the nurse that you want to talk to your child, to your children. Sabi ko, palingaw na bata niya ba? Tabian kayo. Abang nililinisan ko to, madaldal to. Tabian kayo to. Sa gilas.
This is sort of a tutorial. Peace out. You gotta clean that before, yeah.
Sisa. Gilas na to, ya? Gilas Pilipinas?
Stop. Don't talk to me, you loser. I want to be with you.
Ha?
Hmm?